How you can close more than 90% of clients just by doing a great business meeting. Welcome in this video. I have here my mic. I am trying different locations so I can know exactly where is the best location for the mic for creating the best audio for you. But let's start now with the first point about business meeting tips. The first one is be on time. You cannot go to a client, especially if it's the first time, and be late. You should be on time, maybe even 5 or 10 minutes before that the meeting starts, so you can introduce to everybody and you can know the people around the team and you can have an idea about how the company works and how is the environment of the company. After say this, it's important that you use the right words, because especially if you're young like me, you use some type of words with your friends, but you cannot use the same type of words and language with your clients. And sometimes I really struggle to find the right words to describe something, or even when I react to something, my subconscious mind would say something, but my conscious mind is just thinking, no, now you are in front of a client, you cannot use that word. So sometimes I am a little bit on difficulty about this, and now I'm trying to use more professional and great words with my friends. So I create the habit in my mind to always use professional and right words with everybody, so I don't have problem when I am in front of a client. The third tip, it's about respect. Respect about other people, about your clients, and about the environment that you are in. If for example outside is raining, just make sure to clean your shoes before to go inside, to take out some wet clothes or other stuff, but make sure to be respectful for the business owner and the people that are working, because they are giving the chance to you to present your offer, to present your product, and maybe give business to you. And if you're not respectful about this, they will see it, and then they are less likely to invest in you, give you money, and give you some work. The third tip, it's about mirroring. Maybe you already heard in my previously video or in other people's video. Mirroring, it's a simple tip. If the other person is a sit on the chair like really relaxed, you should do the same too, but not too much, because if you do it too much, the other person will see that you are pretty much copying them. But if they speak really fast, you need to also speak a little bit faster. Or if they are always waking up and showing something on the whiteboard or on a TV, you should use the supports too, because they like what they do, and you should make the same thing that they do, so you're sure that they will like you. I hope that you understand. The next tip is about know your market, because you cannot go in front of a client at the first business meeting and don't know the industry, don't know the client, don't know what it's better or what it sells the most. You should really do a little bit of research, watch courses, and already speak with other people inside that industry about the common problems, common solutions, and other stuff. Because for example, I've seen that all of my clients want a website that really works well, but it's simple and it's clean and it has a nice design, and pretty much everybody wanted these three features in their website. So when I go to a client, I already know what they want, and I can already advise them what is the best solution and how I will create the work. The next tip is about believing in yourself. This is really big, because if you don't believe in yourself, your client will not believe in you. You should really be sure of yourself, dress well, go in front of them, use the right tone of voice, don't have fear, and just understand that you are here to work and you know what you're speaking about. And if you focus all your energies about creating the best presentation and the best offer for your client, while you are believing in yourself while you are speaking or while you are doing some demonstration, this will pretty much skyrocket your closing rate. And the last point is about, as Grant Cardone say, commit now and then figure out later. A ton of time when I went to a client or a business, I said yes that I can do it, but I had no idea on how to create that project exactly, or how to create that future, or how to manage that simple software. I didn't knew that, but I said yes in front of a client to create trust and create reputation. And then once I have came at home or in my office later, I have done a ton of research about that future or that software. So I have learned a new thing, my client is happy, and I have some new project that I can share with other people. So remember to click the red button to subscribe, like the video. I hope you enjoyed, but don't close, watch this video here that it can really bring your business to the next level. I see you in the next video.